Sa'yo lamang itong puso ko, tanging ikaw lang ang nilalaman nito. Walang ibang tinitibok sa bawat sandali, aking mahal. Ika'y ingatan at mamahalin ng buong buo, pagkat sa'yo lamang umiikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw lamang ang ibigin sa buhay ko. Sa'yo lamang itong buhay ko handang ialay para sa'yo. Walang ibang pag-aangkin kundi ikaw lamang, aking mahal. Ako'y sa'yo lamang, ika'y mamahalin ng buong buo, pagkat sa'yo lamang umiikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw lamang ang ibigin sa buhay ko. Pagkat sa'yo lamang umiikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw lamang ang ibigin sa buhay ko, pagkat sa'yo lamang umiikot ang aking mundo. Ikaw lamang ang ibigin sa buhay ko. Ako'y sa'yo lamang, aking mahal.
Hi babe, I love you. Let me share that. I'm just making this video to just say hi and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Hope you think of me. You're always in my mind, babe. I really miss you so much. I love you. I wish you all the best this Christmas and New Year. Hope sometimes you think of me. I love you very much. Always remember that. And please be careful yourself always, okay? I love you. I love you. I love you. And I love you very, very much. Even you believe it or not, but I really love you. And I miss you always. Take care always, okay? Love you. Don't forget that words. I love you so much. Mwah. Mwah. hope you feel my kiss for you. I love you so much. I really, really love you. Love you, love you, love you. Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year. Love you, babe. I really love you. Hope you feel my kiss and my hug. I'm imagining that you are here with me this Christmas and New Year. Love you. Take care always, okay?